Why you should check your float switch. Your float switch helps prevent water damage by turning your AC off when drainage fails. 1. Prevent water damage. Stops overflow into ceilings and floors. 2. Avoid unexpected AC shutdowns. Dirty or stuck float switch causes sudden stops. 3. Catch drain problems early to avoid costly repairs. 4. Reduce mold and musty odors. Maintains indoor air quality. 5. Protect your HVAC system from stress due to frequent shutdowns. Message Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning for a spring checkup.